This is the War Brief Daily for April 25th, 2026, covering the Russia-Ukraine theater. Tonight we are tracking three confirmed developments: a large-scale Russian drone wave with verified infrastructure damage across multiple oblasts, intensifying Russian ground pressure on the Kupyansk, Zaporizhzhia, and Donetsk axes with confirmed tactical shifts, and Ukrainian deep strikes inside Russian territory paired with a notable Russian airborne unit redeployment. First, the air campaign. This is confirmed. Overnight on April 21st to 22nd, Russian forces launched 215 long-range strike drones against Ukraine. Shahed, Gerbera, and Italmas variants, fired from multiple launch points including Kursk, Bryansk, Millerovo, and occupied Crimea. Ukrainian air defenses downed 189 of those 215. 24 got through, striking 13 confirmed locations. A railway worker was killed in Zaporizhzhia City. A drone struck the hold of a vessel in Odesa's port. State energy operator Ukrenergo confirmed strikes on energy infrastructure triggered power outages across Dnipropetrovsk, Zaporizhzhia, Kharkiv, and Sumy oblasts. Separately, the logistics town of Bohodukhiv, sitting at the intersection of the P46 and P45 highways northwest of Kharkiv, absorbed 110 Russian drone strikes in just 4 days. ISW assesses this as deliberate battlefield air interdiction designed to sever Ukrainian supply lines between Sumy and Kharkiv ahead of potential future offensive operations. Second, the ground front. Confirmed. Russian forces conducted an infiltration mission into northern Kupyansk and are escalating assaults from both banks of the Oskil River. In Vovchansk, geolocated footage from April 22nd confirms Russian advances in both the northern and southern sections of the settlement. In the Pokrovsk direction, General Syrskyi confirms 688 separate Russian assault attempts between April 1st and 22nd. That averages 31 per day, one assault every 46 minutes on a single operational axis. Russian forces in the Kostiantynivka area are confirmed using motorcycles and civilian vehicles to sprint through Ukrainian drone kill zones faster than operators can engage. In Sumy Oblast, Ukrainian forces liberated Andriivka, confirmed by geolocated footage. Also confirmed, Russian soldiers in that sector have been crawling through underground pipelines for days at a time to evade Ukrainian drone surveillance before emerging to attack. In Zaporizhzhia, Russian mill bloggers claim forces seized the settlement of Hirka, east of Huliaipole. That claim is credible but not independently confirmed at this stage. Third, deep strikes and force movements. The Ukrainian General Staff confirmed strikes on Russian command posts near Vyazvoye and Vysokoye in Belgorod Oblast. Ukraine also struck the Russian Black Sea Fleet's Streletsky Naval Traffic Control Center in occupied Sevastopol, roughly 242 kilometers from the front line. On the Russian side, elements of the 106th VDV Airborne Division, which has taken heavy losses in Sumy Oblast, are confirmed being replaced and reportedly redeploying toward the Kherson direction. If follow-on reporting confirms the destination, that signals Russia may be building combat power in the south. One note on emerging reporting. For April 23rd and 24th, information remains thin. The Russian Ministry of Defense claimed 138 targets struck and 418 Ukrainian drone intercepts, figures that, if accurate, would be the highest single-day intercept total since the start of 2026. These claims are unverified. Treat them with caution until independent confirmation is available. Here is what to watch over the next cycle. Monitor ISW's April 23rd and 24th assessments to evaluate the Russian MOD intercept claims. Watch the Kupyansk axis closely. A confirmed Oskil River crossing by Russian forces in strength would be a significant operational development. Track satellite imagery around Huliaipole and Hirki for ground truth on the Millblogger advance claims. And follow the 106th VDV redeployment. Where those units land in the Kherson direction will tell us a great deal about Russian intentions in the south. That is your War Brief Daily for April 25th, 2026.